All right, we're at the Computex 2026 and we have Colin. Colin's going to show us around. So let's go, Colin.
So here is our consumer product for external SSD, DRAM and also SSD. So we have our new product which is URBAN TAPSAFE. Is ready in the market last month, and then you can see this is the with the unlock with the MFC. So you can just press unlock.
Oh, it automatically pairs up.
You can see tap successfully. So you are ready to use.
Yeah, so there's no need to like go to the settings. You just it's almost an NFC connection to detect the actual hardware. Okay, cool.
And for the creator, you can just easily attach with your camera. Yeah. And also you can just put it anywhere, just avoid it losses. Yeah, so it's very safe. And you can change the skin if you want.
Oh, the skin.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's magnetic, yeah?
Yes.
Cool. So this is the URBAN TAPSAFE.
Yeah.
USB 3.2 Gen 2x2. So you get you 20 gigabits per second, 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte capacity. Super lightweight there, it's only 72 grams. Almost, 1900 read-write speed. Super compact and also personalized with the NFC to data security, amazing.
Yeah.
All right. And you got two models there.
Yeah.
Cool.
For DRAM here, you have seen last year for the NOVAKEY. And this year we have the ROG-Certified versions over here. So, and this product is also ready last month, and then you can get it in the market. And is support up to, now we have 6,000, and then we have 6,400 as well.
All right, so NOVAKEY RGB DDR5, ROG-Certified, and up to, of course, look at the speed here. I think it's DDR5 6000 certified, so that's pretty good. And you also have the Mars 970, the XPG Mars 970 Plus, which is the SSD. So you got both demos working right here. That's the XPG, ROG certified. And there's another model right here. You can see that there. All right, cool.